Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Cricut video for you that I'm super excited about. It has been highly requested in my comment section for quite a while, and that is how to do print and cut stickers. So I am actually new to print and cut stickers, even though I make my own designs for my Etsy store and stuff like that. I've never actually used this function, so we're learning together in this video and hoping to share lots of hints and tips on the sticker process. It's going to be so much fun. I've been wanting to make stickers for forever, and here we are. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and we're going to get straight on into it. Before this video, I'm going to be using my lovely Cricut Maker. The print and cut functionality is actually only available on the Cricut Maker and the Explore Air 2 machines, but it doesn't work on the Cricut Joy, I'm afraid. So if you've got a Maker and Explore Air 2, we can make stickers, which is super exciting. You might be wondering why it's called print and cut. Essentially, you will need an inkjet printer, like an at-home standard kind of printer. And what happens is the Cricut will print your designs onto your inkjet printer, and then you can cut out the edges or whatever you need to do with those stickers depending on the design of the sticker using your Cricut. That you're left with a lovely set of stickers on a sticker sheet or whatever you need them for, really. I'm going to be doing some stickers of my own design today. I've got some sewing themed icons that are going to be on my Etsy store. They're already on my Etsy. I'll link them in the description box so you can go and get them for yourselves. You can download lots of sticker designs on Etsy and support small creators and artists. So to make stickers, this is what you will need. I've got the Cricut Explore printable vinyl, and this is essentially like a printed sticker sheet. You can use off-branded products, you don't have to use the Cricut ones. I just wanted to use the Cricut ones for the first time I've tried this process, but you can obviously experiment with sticker sheets of any brand, and a standard grip mat. So that's pretty much it. That's all you kind of need for this, apart from your inkjet printer, which I mentioned, and I'll show you which one that I'm using now. So I'm just using this HP Envy. It's a 4527 printer. It is super old, it's about 5 years plus old, I think. Can't remember when I got it, but it serves me well, it prints fine. So essentially all you need is some kind of at-home inkjet printer. Something like this would suffice. Let's go onto the Cricut design space and I will do a voiceover and we'll talk through what we need to do.
So open a new canvas, and once you have, you'll want to select the upload tool, which is on the left hand side here. Select upload, and then upload image, and you want to upload your sticker sheet or your design, whatever you're using. I'm going ahead and selecting one of my sticker sheets. I had a few variations here because I needed to insert an outline. I'll talk about that later on in the video. So insert your image and you'll see it come up on the left here with that white background in there. Make sure to select complex. This is the one you need to select for the print and cut functionality. Select that, and then zoom out so you can see your design, and make sure you have the select and erase tool on the top left here selected, and you want to click on that white background to delete it. That clears it completely so that your images are standalone images. Once that's done, you can press continue, and as you can see on the left here, that's highlighted. We've got a save as print and cut image, and it's all ready to go. It's honestly that easy. Press save. And once it's saved, it will come up in your recent upload, so you can just select it and say insert images. Once it's inserted into the canvas, you can see the layer turns up on the right hand side, and there's a little warning symbol there at the moment, so we can just hover over that warning symbol and see what it's trying to tell us. And it's saying that the image is too large, so we need to reduce the size to what the printer can basically print out. So I'm just making sure that the height of the image is 9 inches, but obviously you can change this depending on what size you want your stickers. I'm just making sure that I'm using up the full sticker page. And then you can check and make sure that it's on the standard print and cut feature on that top left. And that's it, it's really simple. You can just now press make it, and you'll see what it looks like on the piece of sticker paper. So my sticker paper is A4, and it's kind of base for a UK printer, but you can check what size printer you have and what paper it prints. And then you need to send it to printer. So whatever printer is installed in your computer, is the one that you're going to be printing it from. So we can say send to printer, and as you can see my HP Envy printer is there already. So that's essentially it. You just need to put your sticker paper into your printer and print that out first from the printer.
So I just had a printer jam, paper jam in my printer. So I'm gonna actually try a different piece of sticker paper that I've got. This is not branded. I've got a weird feeling that the Cricut paper is for like American printers and not UK printers. So lesson learned, we're learning. I'm going to try it with this and hope that I get the same results. So probably a good idea, little tip, is to do a few test prints on just like plain ordinary inkjet printer. Okay, it's not the perfect print, but I'm not mad at it. We have a print. Here they are. Houston, we have a problem. Okay, this is my fault, so this is where the design importance comes in. So next time I need to make sure that my stickers have an outline because it's cutting the individual shapes of the sticker. What I did is I hadn't drawn an outline around the actual design of the sticker. So if you have sticker sheets like me, or you're using your own images or your own designs, just make sure that you have a kind of black drawn outline.
I inserted that bit just so you could see that mistakes do happen. And I went ahead and obviously, as you saw, I inserted the different image with the outlines in this tutorial so that you saw it from the get-go. But yeah, so it did take a few goes and that is why. So once that's actually printed, you can move on to the next step, which is placing that onto your mat. Go back on your Cricut design space, select the material, which I put printable vinyl, and pressure less so it doesn't cut all the way through, it just cuts the sticker kind of thing. So pop your mat into the machine and press the feed button, and what will happen is the machine will scan it. So once that's done that, you press the C, it starts to scan it and a little light will run over those black lines to make sure that it is a print and cut, and it lines it all up properly, and then the machine can cut it out. So you'll see a little demo of it in action here. It just scans to recognise that black line, and once it's done that, it can then cut around the stickers.
We have my stickers! They've come out, and now that I amended the design to have the outline, it worked perfectly. I didn't have to do anything. You could see in Design Space, it's really simple process in terms of uploading. It's just about knowing the fact you need to have an outline around your sticker, whether that's a simple shape like a circle or whatever you need. Just make sure it has that on there. It will print it with a black outline, but don't worry, it's meant to do that so that Cricut can recognise where the cut line is. So let's demonstrate one of the sticker peels. That's so cool. I'm not sure how you would achieve the stickers without the outline, so that's something that I definitely will look up, and I'll leave it in the comments below if I find out. But how cute has that turned out? I love it. So now we can go ahead and stick them wherever you want them. This design sheet that I've made as well will be available on my Etsy. Yeah, so I will leave the Etsy link to my stickers below so you can go and check them out and download them and print them on your Cricut machines for yourself if you want them. Or you can use this exact same process with images that you find online or whatever, but make sure if you are using an artist's work, you get permission or you credit them, because we can all find stuff on Google, but why not support a small creator if you can. Lessons learned, number 1. Make sure that the sticker paper you're using is the right size paper for your printer. I obviously tried to use the Cricut printable vinyl, but I'm guessing it's because it's American size paper, so therefore it didn't fit in my UK A4, we call it, size printer paper. So that was that. I'm lucky that I had some other printer paper in my drawer. So I just got a standard non-branded printer paper. Again, I'll leave a couple of options below whether you're in the US or the UK. I will leave them below so you can go and get what you need for your printer. But again, just make sure you're checking what your at-home printer is, because every printer is different. Like I said, I have a HP, so my printer prints A4. I printed on an A4 sheet and it worked perfectly. Yeah, just double check the settings of your printer and do some test prints first. So yeah, that was another tip. Make sure you do a test print on just normal printer paper, just so you know that the print quality is going to be fine, and just check that first before going ahead and printing on your more expensive sticker paper. And last tip, make sure that your design, if you're making your own designs, has some kind of outline or shape around it so that it doesn't try and cut out every individual shape, because Cricut will automatically recognise each shape that has a clear background behind it as a separate sticker. So just make sure that if you've got one little, obviously, person, design, character, whatever it is, just make sure it's got some kind of line around the entire thing. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing how to create stickers using the Cricut. I know that I'm going to be making lots more in the future, so I literally cannot wait. And head over to my Etsy to get this sheet for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!